Hi guys, this is Asus VivoBook S, and as you are seeing that my screen has been broken. So today I am going to replace the screen which I have ordered from screencountry.com. So let's just start. Actually I have already taken the panel out, so I am just taking out the previous one and replacing it with the new one. So let's just begin. Uh, Take out the screws on 4 of its edges. This is a broken screen and we are taking it out carefully. As you guys are seeing, there is a pin in the connector over here. We have just only to take it out. Yeah, so this is my old screen. This is my new screen which I have ordered from screencountry.com, and adjusting the pin over the connector over here. And it is automatically turned on, as you guys seeing. And let's just check. Yeah, this is a amazing new screen. So that is how we can easily replace screen by just ordering it from screencountry.com. Now we have to insert the panel on the screen. Yeah, it is just simply fixed. And this is now completely new one. This is how we can easily replace the screen at our home. Thank you.